What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another episode of POHBOYS Garage. Today we're working on the Cressida. Gonna be taking care of some little things to it. The mirror right here, it's all busted. And then right here in the back, we have an actual lock in the trunk. So I'm gonna get that out. And we got some interior pieces to add on. So yeah, let's take care of all that stuff. Woohoo! But before I get to the Cressida, check what's going on here. Check out what the CEO purchased recently. This nice 69 Impala. He's already stripped out the interior. And then here's all the upholstery. Pretty chewed up. All that old age, all cracked up. So what are you working on right now? Like, what are you doing right now to it?
I'm going to replace the heater hoses. Replace the alternator because it's a little old and chewed up. I don't think it's charging the battery, but it starts now. It was out of time. So it was firing order was all messed up when they changed the wires. The hoses are all like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, there's not even
this
down there.
That's gonna leak. So just I bought some hoses. I'm gonna replace them right now and clean it all up. They replaced the master cylinder, but it looked like they bleed it, or I don't even know if there's any fluid in it.
Oh, because the other day, yeah, that's right. When we were pushing it the other day, there's no brakes in it for sure. So it's definitely gonna look at that. So I'll be taking off the Cressida, put the Cressida on the ground. So if you see that from the intro it was up, now it's gonna be on the ground. But if you're interested on the old school cars or anything classic cars, and you want us to do some videos on it, especially when we get the upholstery stuff in with the seats and the carpet inside, comment below, let me know, and then we'll start filming some classics for you guys. Man, oh man, oh man. I miss seeing the car on the ground like this again. Can't wait to get her running. First things first, let's get the parts in the trunk. Alright, so here we go. This is a way nicer one than the one that's on the car right now. I picked it up from a wagon, actually, a Cressida wagon. You guys remove the door panel. I know there's a couple screws. Got 1, 2, and 3. And the previous owner, their own custom one right there. And there would have been one right here, but who knows? Previous owners, right? Need some screwdrivers. Got all the bolts off on the side. And then once you get this other one off, this part comes up. I mean, not that easy. I mean, these are all busted up and whatever, but that was pretty simple. And then next thing we do, we want to disconnect the old power supply. Pop from the back side. Where is it? That should be easy. Yeah, there we go. So now we got it all exposed. This is all ripping, it's all old. But right here, you got this little plate. Just pull that off and get to those bolts right here. Alright, so for that little dude right there, I just grabbed some needle nose and pinched it. And now I got access in the back. There you go. Just disconnect it and be able to pop it off. Let's see if we can do it one hand. One hand? Nope, not one hand. There we go. Got it. Oh, change of plans, everybody. The old one, the original, happened to be a little bit better than the one that I swooped up. Because once I put these 3 bolts on, try to bolt it down, it was still like super wobbly. And then come to find out, like, this thing, little mirror popped out, but this clip is busted, so whoever tried taking it off before, I don't know if they were like yanking on it or something, but I don't know. Maybe I'll be able to repair all this, but I'll still keep it. Unless I find another one, then I'll swap it with a newer one. So until then, leaving the old one back on. There it is, look, it's all buttoned up again. Back to normal. Everything's on. It didn't miss much. Plus the battery died, so it's kind of buttoned it up while the battery was charging. See? It's ugly. I tightened this up as much as I can. A little less wobbly, but who knows. So let's go on to the next thing, which will be the license plate frame. It's a little cover, I guess you would call it. I don't know. These things are broken in the front, and I got two in here. So we gotta pick which one we want. And of course the POHBOYS lights come together again. Oh yeah, I was such a bobblehead. I forgot. I was struggling with this, trying to take it off, and I flipped this around. I realized I kept the little pigtails and everything. So it makes it a lot easier. Now I'm just going to disconnect them, and we'll be good. Cool. So I disconnected those. We're all good on that. And then I thought, you know what? Since I have that disconnected, I might as well just start disconnecting the tail light. Start taking all this off and replace it. It'll be really good. I'll do that right now. Check this out. It's all corroded. This is all busted. I wonder what the other guy did before me, or what happened through all the years of the ownership. Who knows? There it is. Woo! Inside the box forever. Nice and clean. Fresh. See it? No chip on the side. Check out the difference. Look at that. It's so clean. Super clean. Nothing's corroded. Way nicer than this. And all this. Look at that. That's so gross. All I gotta do is unplug it from here and right here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, see? Boom, boom. And I have a super nice clean piece. Sweet. That's awesome. So I'm having issues of putting on the license plate holder and whatnot, and for some reason it's not going on smoothly enough because this is blocking it from going on. So it looks like I have to remove this one, so we'll do that. And after I do that, I'm going to get everything all buttoned up, probably time lapse it all, make it easier and faster for me. So yeah, let's do it. Woohoo. Woohoo! There we go, everybody. Look at that, looking fresh. This has all been replaced, looking good. License plate, look at Sign and Cruise Skateboards. That's what's up. Goes all the way across, no more little ding right here. That's why I replaced this whole tail light, because that one little chip. Other than that, the rear end looks great. I put the cover back on. There you go. All nice and buttoned up, looking good. And I just put the old one in the wrapper right there, just in case. You never know. This one might shatter one day. Another thing I've been wanting to do is throw on these front spacers I bought a long time ago. These ones right here for the front. Since I have spacers in the back, you can kind of tell. And then the front ones, look at here's the fitment, gets sucked in a little bit. So I figured some spacers will make it look really nice. There's the before. Woohoo! What's up, everybody? So, update on these, right? So apparently, the ones I bought for the fronts aren't fitting in the front. So I was like, you know what? Let me swap them around. And the ones from the rear fit perfectly fine in the front, and the ones I bought for the front fit perfectly in the back. And they're both an inch wide spacers, so the rear is still gonna look the same. And I'll still get that poke that I wanted in the front. I mean, it's probably not gonna be a lot of poke. I'll just bring it up a little bit flush, I'm hoping. Just a little bit. But I'll throw these on and then see how it looks. I'll drop it down, see how it looks, compare it from this side to the other side, and yeah. Check it out, that looks fresh, man. Not too much, just right. Just enough poke in the front for sure. That looks clean. Check out, here's the other side. It's kind of sunk in. You could tell, like, yeah, you could barely, you don't even see any of it. Yeah, I like it. There's this side, before pretty much. See, no poke, pretty simple. And over here, ooh, that's nice and fresh. That's flush, man. I like it. And that'll do it, everybody. I am done working on the Cressida. Did those little things I've been wanting to take care of for a very long time. And look at her, she's starting to look really good from the front and from the rear. So, if you enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're a first time viewer, check it out. We got some cool cars that we're working on. So yeah, I think I'm gonna skate. It's time to skate. It's time for you guys to say what's up. I'll definitely catch you guys next time. Woohoo! So much.
Start working on it, like I have to take off this piece, this one, and then
Oh! You fell off that dick flip.
dude, I fucking slipped.
I can see that. You took your wine with.
No, what about
Oh, damn. You know that? You really got it? You didn't get none of that.
You didn't get none of that.
We got from the ground.
Does he need multiple cameras on there?
I need that water.
He needs something else.